Hey guys, this is Miss Batista, and right now we are going to do some phonics work. Today we are going to practice how readers and writers learn new words by turning them into snap words. Now this is something that we've been doing for a long time now. We always want to turn our new words into snap words so that we can master them and be able to use them in reading and in writing. So really quick, we're going to go over the steps on how we do this. And if you guys remember from class, first we read the word, then we study it, then we spell it, then we cover, write, and check it, and then we use it in a sentence. So I'm going to be showing you how to do this with the word few. Now if you are at home and you want to try it with me and do it with me, you can do it as well. But I'm going to go through every step and then you're going to try some on your own. Okay, ready? First, we have to read it. Few. Then we study it. So I see here there's an F making the F sound. And if you remember, EW, like in the word new, has that OO sound. So few. I'm going to spell it F-E-W. Then on the next slide I'll show you how we cover it, write it, and then we'll check it. Now remember, before we cover it, to take a picture in your mind so that you can try it. So take the picture. Alright, now if you are at home trying it with me, write it either on your notebook or on your dry erase board, and then we'll check it. So I'll give you 1 minute to write the word few if you think that you remember how to write it. Alright, let's check it. Did you spell it correctly? I'm sure you did, and if you didn't, that's fine. That just means we need to practice a little bit more, and next time I'm sure you will master it. Now the last step is to use it. So now we got to use the word in a sentence. Let's see. Can you think of a sentence with the word few? I'm going to write one, and you can share the one that you thought with someone at home. Okay, let's see. I have a few pencils left. Perfect. Now you guys can try this on the next slide. I'm going to have some words on the side, and you're going to follow the same steps. You're going to read it, study it, spell it, cover it, write, and check it. So instead of covering, you can just close your eyes and take a mental picture the way that we do in class sometimes, and then use it in a sentence. Now if you have your packet at home, you can do this work on your packet. Just find the pages for today's phonics. It should be under Monday for this week, and then you can use the pages on there to write your words and to write your sentences when you use it. If you don't have it, you can either use your you can use your notebook or you can use your dry erase board. And if you have a printer at home, your parents can also download the packet online. Okay, go ahead and try it with the words on the next slide.